guys, so today I filmed this tutorial on this hair. I am wearing hair from Nadula Hair and I am wearing Kinky straight. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got the look, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm embarrassed because I did a bunch of talking and I wasn't recording. So this is the hair. So far I have already bleached the knots, and this is Kinky hair from Nadula Hair. I know it looks crazy now, but y'all trust me, I'm gonna get it. So I'm a sucker for big hair. I'm just now fitting it to my head. Alright, so I feel like so far right now the hair is in the middle. I am going to spray it with my YTBGIFT spray, and I'm just, you know what, let me clip it up so you guys can see. Alright, so this is a 4x4 closure, and I'm just going to, as you can see, I really don't even have to melt it in, but you know, I love a good melt, so I'm just going ahead and doing that. Then I'm going to be taking my spritz and I'm just going to spray that area on you. I'm like literally out. My Slickum spritz is just going to give it like that extra melt that I want. Just not making sure that middle is middling. It also sent me this cute one, so I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to let this sit on my head for like 10 minutes. And once the 10 minutes are up, I'll go ahead and remove it and we'll get to starting our baby hairs. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and like go through the hairs like this, like starting from like right here. Dog, this hair is so thick. And I'm just gonna I don't have a hot comb right now, so my hot comb broke. So I'm just going to just press it down like this and keep going around my head doing the same thing. Because the hair is big, but I want to like, you know, tone it down a little bit. And I'm just going to do the same till I feel satisfied. A hot comb would have been so clutch right now because, you know, a hot comb actually like the teeth go through it. But I actually can pull off really flat hair with this. So, and then, you know, in between I'll like spritz some stuff in it just to get like a tighter hold. It's doing what it needs to do. And I'm just gonna do that. So once my band dries, hopefully I have flattened out the sides, and then I will begin to really get some styling in there. But y'all, this is what my new growth look like. Well, it's a little more nappier, but alright you guys, so this is how flat I was able to get it. So let me kind of show y'all the difference. Like, it look lumpy. It look like I just got a hump on my head. So yeah. And now I'm just gonna, you know, show y'all the lace. So that's this side. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and now hot comb this, starting from up here and getting around the back. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut off the extra lace. with a razor. I lift up the side a little bit. Don't worry, because there's something called a final note. Alright, so as y'all can see, there is kind of like a line here still. So now I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to do the final melt. Where is... I'm taking my spritz. I have another bottle just like this that I brought up here. Alright, I wasn't able to find it. So now I'm gonna take my literally like, I don't know if y'all can see like all that I have left. Like, I just have a drop left. But I'm gonna take that drop. And I'm tapping it, tap, 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 tap. Right there. Tap, 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 tap. And then after that, I'm taking my little foundation brush and I just tap that area, take off that shininess to it. Like just about this much is good. And then I, of course, you know how it comes, so I burn my forehead. And two, while I'm at it, I'm just gonna do some more plucking. Alright, so now I got some over bleaching over here that I'm gonna fix. Don't be scared, I do not close the part with my makeup. I'm just pouring. And now I'm just gonna spray. And I'm also gonna spray up here. There's some Godspeed. So I'll just, okay. So this is the Kinky. And it's honestly really easy because it is a closure. You can't do certain stuff like this, and you know, but it's full, it's big, it's cute. You guys think I could do a braid? No, right? I don't think I could do a braid, but it's really nice. Then I'm gonna just stand up. It's so big. It's like real big. Okay, so make sure you guys check out Nadula Hair for some bomb affordable hair. Like, this is like my real hair. I need to make a video like how I grew my hair 26 inches. How I got my hair 26 inches. Alright y'all, so this is the final look of the tutorial. Make sure you guys check out Nadula Hair for some nice hair. Kinky. This is Kinky straight. I'll have all the descriptions and links on this hair down below so y'all can get y'all some. Thank you guys so much for watching.